how to play Guess Who with book characters. So you and your partner each need to draw a character out of the little bag. Don't show your partner what character you have. Keep it a secret. Then look at your character very carefully and set it upside down in front of you so your partner can't see it. Once you know which part or character you have, take your red pen or click on the pen, turn it red, and I want you to circle that character. You don't want to color it out because you still need to see what he looks like, okay? All right, now change your marker back to a different color, maybe yellow or something. Actually, you know what? Let's use our highlighter to do this part. I think this would be easier. So choose the highlighter or the Dazzle pen. That one would work too. And now you get to start asking your partner questions. You will take turns. You can ask one question at a time. So I would start by asking my partner, does your character have hair? And if they said yes, then I would cross out all of the characters that don't have hair. Like frogs and toads don't have hair. Flies don't have hair. Who else doesn't? Oh, Captain Underpants does not have hair. He's bald. He does not have hair. So you have to cross out all the ones that do not have hair. Let's see. Actually, elephants do have hair. I'm not going to cross that one out. Carrots don't have hair. Let's see. Oh, birds do not have hair. They have feathers. And let's see. Same with pigeon. He's a bird. All right. And duck. He's a bird. Now my partner is going to ask me a question, and I answer them yes or no. That's all your answer can be is yes or no. Once you get down to where you think you know the answer, then you can say, is your character, and then guess. And again, all they say is yes or no. If they guessed yes, then you can go on to the next card. If they said no, keep playing. Good questions to ask would be like, does your character have, which you will see on your card to remind you, or can your character do this? So make sure you're asking good, clear questions. Try not to repeat them and have fun. There should be 8 rounds if you have time to play because there's 8 different cards. All right, have fun.